Hey there, I'm really excited to quickly show you our brand new Video Resource Center. As you probably know, we have been putting out a ton of content over the last year, all designed to help make you a better Amazon seller. But we have made so much content that we thought we'd make a hub for it, a way to organize it and make it easy for you to find curated content that best fits your business needs. Now, I want to show you exactly where to find it and exactly how best to utilize it. Let's dive in. Okay, so if you are an existing ZonGuru customer, it couldn't be easier to find. You just need to go into the Help and Training button here. It's going to take you to our Help Center. Now, this is a great resource as well. You're going to have the ability to look at FAQs, educational content, schedule weekly live training sessions, which are really fun. And if you haven't done it already, I'd encourage you to do so. But if you go into the educational content, you're going to see this button here for the resource page. Now, when you click into the Resource Center, you're going to see a ton of content. You're going to see things like our tips and tricks videos, training and demos, Amazon unboxing videos, ZonTrends, and so much more. Now, we've added this really cool organizational functionality where you can either click on each of these individual widgets and it'll take you right down to that section of the page, or if you are, say, a researcher and you click on researchers, we're going to show you the content that we feel is curated best for you at that research stage, or if you're a seller on the flip side of that. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the link in the description below to jump into the Video Resource Center today.